Hey, this is David with another ship tour. This time it's Mariner of the Seas. I've already done Adventure of the Seas, which is also Voyager class, so this should be easy. We'll start where you embark on the ship here on deck 4. We're in the forward section. You could embark on the aft, but we'll start in the front. We'll start heading aft. First thing we'll come to is the schooner bar. Right now they're having trivia. In the evenings they'll have piano. Just forward of the forward elevators on decks 3 and 4 is the Royal Theater. There's nothing else in the forward section for deck 3, so we'll skip that for now. Continue with deck 4. On the port side is sumi, hibachi, and sushi, right next to the schooner bar. We'll start heading aft. Here in the middle of deck 4 is the Casino Royale.
All right, everyone, I think we are ready.
We're in the port of Cozumel right now, so the casino's closed and I can record. Port side is your tables. Starboard side is slot machines. Alright, we're still heading aft. I really like this floor they have there. Roulette wheel, popcorn, treasure. Next we come to Boleros on the port side. Now on the starboard side, it's what some people would say is the most important place in the ship, Starbucks. Your dining, your drink package won't work at Starbucks, but it will work at some other places. We're up to the aft elevators. Just behind here is the main dining room on 3, 4, and 5. Let's head down to 3. Here in the aft, there's a couple of things. My favorite is the Studio B ice rink. They have ice skating shows, and they have open skating for guests one day during the cruise. And there's an art gallery down here. You can access the lower level of the MDR. We'll go back up to 4. Now let's take a look at the main dining room. This is as far aft as we can go on levels 3, 4, and 5 inside. That is really elegant. 3 decks. That's all of deck 4. We'll head up to 5. Forward of the elevators, we're back up to Starbucks. There's a coffee place on deck 5 where you can use your drink package. Okay. Just forward of the elevators, it's the excursions desk, next cruise on the port side, guest services on the starboard side. Alright, we're heading forward on the promenade. Several shops, jewelry, port merchants, the market, that's your logo shop. Get all your Royal Caribbean souvenir t-shirts, hats. In the middle is the bamboo room. And a stairway down to the casino. Celera beauty store, barnacle and barrel bar. Okay. Espresso, Grand Glacier. That's your coffee shop where you can use your drinks package. And there's Cafe Promenade. Open 24 hours. You get pizza for lunch and dinner here. And across from there is Playmaker Sports Bar. There's always these maps around to help you out. And video screens near all the elevators. Okay, we're passing forward elevators. Here's a nice view of the promenade. Head forward. The last thing going forward is the Star Lounge. I'm going to show you a shortcut to the bow where you don't have to take any stairs. Pass through the Star Lounge, take a right. Here on the starboard side is a door anyone can use. Take a left.
I'm not feeling too well, so I need you guys to come closer. I don't want to shout.
Crew's been doing drills today. I'm trying to stay out of their way. We're in port with the Paradise, the Dream, and the Jubilee. I've sailed on the Jubilee and the Dream. The only fantasy class ship I've been on was the Ecstasy, but I didn't film a tour because it was our last cruise before the scrapyard. Nice thing about most of these Royal Caribbean ships is they allow the guests to come up here on the bow, unless it's too windy, and come out here when we're sailing too. There's Cozumel. Now we're going to skip up to deck 11. Now we're all the way forward on deck 11 and outside. Another thing that's really unusual that only Royal Caribbean has, as far as I know, is this peekaboo bridge. We can look down into the bridge on deck 10. This is outside, just forward of the fitness center. The only way to get here is on the port side. You can see we're right above the bridge wings. There's a Celebrity Equinox next door to us. Okay, we'll go back aft past the fitness center, and here's the one and only access to this area for guests. It's right here by the forward elevators. We'll go inside. And this is your access to the fitness center. Very nice one. Right here you have a change room, locker room, sauna and steam, showers that anyone can use. Up the stairs is the spa. That's pretty self-explanatory, so we'll skip the spa. We'll start heading aft on the starboard side. The first thing we have is the solarium. It's an adult area. A couple of large hot tubs, a bar, and a pool.
What's that?
In the middle, there's restrooms. Men's room on the port side, women on the starboard side. Towel station here on the starboard side. Hello, hello. Also, tide and trail adventure gear. They have snorkels, things like that. And here's the main pool area. 2 pools, 4 hot tubs. And maybe most important, you're on the starboard side, Arctic zone, that's the ice cream. It's open most of the day. On the port side is hot dogs. You can get that from the outside. You can still be wearing your swimsuit. You can still be wet. It's okay. Then inside is the elevators and the windjammer. And that's pretty much it on deck 11. I think we could skip that and head up to deck 12. Yeah, the windjammer's usually in the back, except on the Vision class of ships. They have it in the front. It works out very good. Here on the starboard side of deck 12 in the aft is Johnny Rockets. Now we'll head inside. And all your kids area here. Royal Babies and Tots, right here by the aft elevators. Venture Ocean, and the arcade. That's a nice big arcade. Aquanauts 3 to 5. Let's go out on the port side. All of this area is for Adventure Ocean. That's all the different kids clubs for different ages. More Aquanauts. Explorers 6 to 8. We're almost all the way to the aft, as far as you can go on 12. We're going to head up the stairs to 13, but I'll show you another way to access deck 13 where you don't have to take the stairs. Here in the aft we have the flow rider. It's time for the experts right now. Then we have the water slides. Those are fun. I need to sign a waiver right here to do the flow rider. Over here on the starboard side we have some hammocks. Man, those are comfortable. I like them better than my bed. Kids play area. Sports court. A lot of basketball and especially pickleball. That's popular.
Oh my God.
Up the stairs on 14 is the rock climbing wall. That's popular. No extra charge. They provide shoes. You just need your own socks. And SkyPad isn't used anymore. They were all shut down since some guest broke his leg. Okay, there's restrooms, and here's the way forward to the stairs and elevator. Here's your access to the sports zone without taking the stairs. And there's really nothing else on deck 13, so we'll head up to 14. The Viking Crown Lounge. There's also the Suite Zone, Ellington's, the Crown Lounge. It's the best place to get a great view. And that's just about it. I like this bathroom, it's unusual. You could do your business and look at the ocean. I'm first into the breakfast buffet.